Hey guys, this is Grizzly from Evike Airsoft, and I got a mystery box from Evike. Took about 4 days to get here. And I have an idea, well, 2 ideas of what this might be, and I really hope it's the first one, because if it is, I'm probably going to throw this box across the room. And you guys know my luck with mystery boxes, or at least I think you do. And I got the Lancer Tactical. I don't even need scissors. Well, if it's the second one, I'm probably going to shoot myself with it. It hits the second one! I'm going to shoot myself. God, this is going to be disappointing to open. This is another gun bag. After I just sold 4 guns. I don't care if I break the gun.
I'll figure it out.
You like bag? Gun bag? That is actually very tiny. I can't even remember these guns that can fit in. Oh, there it goes. Okay. They're quite crafty. Boy, this is money well spent.
You didn't say how much you spent.
I spent $30 on this mystery box, and I don't think I got my money's worth. It actually doesn't feel as bad as it looks. This will probably be a mess around gun for when Wolf and Monkey come over. I'll probably ambush them with it. But yeah, this is the video, guys. I'm definitely a little disappointed again with what I got, but I don't learn.